Hello friends, today let us make a very rich, fudgy and very chocolatey brownie that's gluten free and so easy to make. For this we need 180 grams butter, 3 large eggs, 3/4 cup or 150 gram brown sugar, 3/4 cup or 150 gram white sugar, 50 gram natural gluten free unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup semi-sweet chocolate chips or 100 grams semi-sweet chopped chocolate bar, plus 3/4 cup chocolate chips to be added in the end, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 cup gluten-free all-purpose flour. First combine butter and half cup chocolate chips in a large pan. It should be a glass bowl because we have to put this on double boiler. When mixed, transfer on top of a pan with boiling water and stir to melt the chocolate and get this yummy and glossy chocolate mix. Take it out of the gas and add cocoa powder. Add both brown sugar and white sugar and stir well. Use hand blender if required to mix properly. Now add the 3 eggs one at a time. Using the blender after each addition. Add vanilla essence, salt, and finally gluten-free flour. Stir in the gluten-free flour very well into the mix and all the ingredients should get incorporated. Add the 3/4 cup chocolate chips which we had reserved and then transfer this to a baking paper lined tin and bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees C or till a toothpick inserted comes out with only little bits clinging onto it. Cool, cut and serve this yummy, chocolatey, gluten-free brownie. Do try this yummy brownie and share and like this recipe on Gluten Free India. Thank you.